Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you on a night point of view drive with this car, the new Peugeot 208, and this is the facelifted version. As you can see, we have the new design. Now on the front you can spot the new badge and also the new grille as well as the new lights. I mean, just look at those beautiful daytime running LEDs. And then we move on to the side, dual tone wheels, gloss black finish for the wheel arches in this trim. This is the GT version, so the top of the line trim. And then if we move on here to the rear, look at the new lighting signature, very cool and easily recognizable on the road. Now you can also see this hybrid. So this is the 48-volt hybrid. There are various powertrains available, but today of course we will focus on this one. Let me just show you the trunk before we move on and start the drive. There we go, 309 liters. And yeah, well, we are now ready to go. I can turn on the lights also by pressing the button on the key. And you can also see the real exhaust pipe, which is always cool. GT lettering here on the C-pillar. This is the look at the lovely interior, but let's see it from driver's perspective. So we are ready to start our drive. This is the minimalistic gear selector for the new automatic transmission, the 6-speed dual clutch automatic, which is electrified and makes the drive very smooth, which you will see now. So let's go. This is the 48-volt hybrid powertrain with 100 horsepower. And as you can see, the drive itself is very smooth. So it can even drive around 1 kilometer on electric power. And definitely you will see during the night drive, I think you will enjoy it, because really this powertrain is so good. I really must compliment Peugeot for doing such a great job with it. Now in terms of powertrains, there are various options available. PureTech petrol engines, they have 75 horsepower or 100 horsepower, and then you have the 48-volt hybrid, which we have 100 horsepower that we have in this car, or 136 horsepower. And once again, they come paired with this new 6-speed dual clutch automatic transmission, e-DCS6 it is called. And yeah, well, those are the options. And then you also have other option, which is the electric one. And speaking about the electric model, there are 2 specifications available. So I think really a lot to choose when it comes to powertrain options for this new Peugeot 208. And now we can also talk about the layout here in front of us with the beautiful i-cockpit. And the i-cockpit is standard from the Allure trim, so active would come with the classic dials, and then on the Allure you have the digital cockpit, the i-cockpit. And here on the GT, the i-cockpit is the 3D one. Not sure if camera is catching that, but it is a very cool detail. And then the 10-inch touchscreen with the new infotainment system is standard on all trims. The steering wheel is a well-known small one, now with the new Peugeot logo, which looks very cool. And yeah, well, I think the maneuvering with the steering wheel is very nice and easy, and definitely easy to get used to this kind of steering wheel. The ambient lights, you can choose between different colors. I can show you that right now. So there we go. Quite like this red one, but let's put this purple for now. If you press the screen with 3 fingers, you go into this sort of like the main menu. And yeah, well, I think this is such a nice place to be, especially when you have this 48-volt hybrid powertrain, because then the whole drive is so smooth. I really am a big fan of this powertrain. And also this car has got a very nice navigation. So you do have the 3D view of the buildings here. For example, you can see the National Theatre on our left, and you can see it here on this large 10-inch touchscreen as well. Here in the middle you have 2 USB ports and wireless charging pad, 12-volt power supply, and you do have some buttons but in order to change the AC you still need to press the screen. If you go here, you can set it here, so you can configure the layout here on this main touchscreen, and you can have different widgets. You can adjust them. You can also change the view in front of the driver. So for example, driving view, then you have the navigation view, which is very cool, especially if you're driving in an unknown city. And then there's also the personal view, which you can configure, and energy view as well. You see, I think you can see how pronounced the electric drive is here. So really, this 48-volt hybrid makes the drive itself so smooth. And there are a few driving modes. Let me put back the dials view. I quite like this standard view with the dials, and you have power, eco, and charge here. So when you release the throttle, then you have charge, so recuperation of energy. So for example this, I mean, just how smooth is this? Very, very nice. We can put on the sport mode now, and you see you have a bit of a different graphics here, and there we go. Speaking about the figures, 9.8 seconds is the time to reach 100, and the top speed is 193 kilometers per hour for this particular model, the 48-volt hybrid with 100 horsepower. I think those are some really nice numbers for a car like this. But I want to hear your thoughts. Which powertrain would you go for in this car? And I quite like this pronounced sound of the indicators. And also very nice acceleration in sport mode. Now I just want you to enjoy the drive itself. Little part without talking. So if you want to change the AC, here is where you can adjust the air blower and the temperature. You also have some shortcuts here. So this is the shortcut for the driver assist systems. This car is packed with technology and systems that make your drive more safe and also more smooth. And you also have the shortcut here for the AC as well. And if you go to settings, you can activate sport sound. So when you're in sport mode, then you have more pronounced sport sound, which I'll show you now. So now when I push the throttle, you can hear more pronounced sporty sound, which is very cool in my opinion. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe to the channel as there will be plenty of more to come, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.